Hey guys, welcome to a very special video today, and look what we have here. We've got something that came through the post, and you can see that I've even got still the sellotape on there, so it's ready to be opened. And I've had this for a day now, and I was just going to record a very special video so everybody can see what we've got. So I just wanted to thank everybody for subscribing to the channel over the last, I guess, 5 or so years. And this is something that I've always wanted, and I've worked towards to get to, I say, at least 100,000. There we go. Just brute force it. There should be a little bit of magical music when I open that, shouldn't there? Like the praise from the angels. So we've got a little bit of soft material. We've got a little bit of a card saying that congratulations for the subscriber milestone. Wonderful. And we've got the little sheet of paper which is printed on some card, just to say that I've achieved 100,000 subscribers, and this is the Silver Creator Reward, and congratulations. And here it is in the plastic packaging, the silver play button for 100,000 subscribers. So yet again, thanks so much for everybody for subscribing over the past few years, and be sure to let me know if you want any tutorials at all, and we can go from there and hopefully reach far beyond that 100,000 goal. Probably 1 million in a couple of months, I think. So thanks very much for watching, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Cheers.